Welcome to the 2024 Dubai International Boat Show. I'm here debuting COMPASSROSE, which is a South Korean startup in the e-mobility space. So we're debuting here 2 electric motorcycles, our See You Later flagship model and our Dandelion entry-level model. And the philosophy behind the brand is we're marrying neo-classic, or what we call neo-sci-fi designs, with the latest in electrification technology to create a completely new electric mobility two-wheeler experience. So, welcome to COMPASSROSE.